and good afternoon. This is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we're looking at a 2014 Toyota Sienna manual rear entry Kneelvan. This is a Freedom Motors converted Toyota Sienna with the manual rear entry wheelchair conversion converted right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. We've been in business for over 30 years, and this is what we specialize in, wheelchair accessible vehicles. This is just one of hundreds of vehicles we have in stock. We have a huge warehouse full of wheelchair accessible vehicles, including vans, cars, trucks, SUVs, really cool things from Suburbans, Silverados, Yukons. This one here is a manual, really simple, very lightweight, super lightweight, very easy. It's spring loaded here, so spring there, so it's very lightweight, super easy to lift. New refurbished floor, bucket seats, beige interior, 107,000 miles. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Visit our website at freedommotors.com. Please click on this subscribe button on the YouTube page as well. Try to get our subscribers up as much as possible. Just one of many vehicles we have here. This is 2014, 107,000 mile Toyota Sienna, cloth interior, manual rear entry, clean interior. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Just one of hundreds of vehicles we have in stock here. I would assume this is one of the lower price points. We have mostly 16s, 17s, and 18s. We have vehicles ranging from $12,000 up to $80,000. Huge range in price depending on the year, make, model, and conversions. Give us a call with more questions. Any questions you might have, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching our video, and have a great day.